Hey, good morning. It's another day, man. It's Tuesday. The rig is looking awful spiffy today. It's going to get a nice cleaning and maintenance, filter cleaning and all that stuff over the holiday here. We're going to take off for a week. If you need anything at all, man, Ameritech pressure cleaning systems over in Tampa can take care of whatever it is you're looking for. You can get a hold of them at 813-978-0809. Ask for it and you'll receive. They ship and they can take care of whatever you need. Look at this rig. GT Builds can custom build you a rig and make you shine. Okay, it's going to be 90 degrees today. Yes, we have the ice cooler packed full of drinks, and I always stress that. I mean, in the summer you got to have ice, especially you guys down here in Florida. Buy one of them home units, man. It's paid for itself over and over. I always stress that, and I bag up my own ice. Better than paying $3 a bag for 7 pounds of ice every day. You need 2 bags a day if you work all day in this heat. If you're going to get a logo for your truck or your business, make sure it's big enough to read. Don't want it to be too busy. Make sure the phone number is really big as well. Always display your license number. And definitely check us out on YouTube and get after it. All right, today we got a mobile home wash at Brentwood Estates, where I'm king of the mobile home park. Got a lot of customers in there, a lot of repeat business, and I always say that if you make it affordable, these people that are retired every year, especially in the mobile home park, they can afford my price every year, and they call me every year. It's awesome. All right, great price, great quality service, on time, personable. What can be better than that for a recipe for success? I'm Don. Then after the Brentwood Estates mobile home, we're going to be doing a pool cage and driveway. Then we'll have another pool cage at the end of the day. All right, so let's get started. We'll see you at Brentwood Estates. Get after it. All right, good morning. We're here at the first job. As the Fresh Rinse would say, we're here at opportunity number 1 of 3 today. Mike does 6 because he's got Squirt helping him, which is a wonderful thing. I think it's awesome. Little shout out for the Fresh. Really cool, man. You got your daughter with you, and she's learning how to run a business and everything else by one of the best washers I know. All right, let's take a look at this property. We're going to be starting at the end here, just right over in that little cubby hole where all this mold is. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Had to pull the plant back from the building, so I don't want to get any SH dripping on it. But we have mold up here, algae. You can see it up there. It's a green looking stuff that keeps us all in business, right guys? And it's just a dusty, dirty, dingy situation here. So it's not going to be bad. This is a painted driveway. It's going to be very easy. SH, rinse. He wants a little bird cleaned, a couple little things around here. Very nice old guy. He came out and gave me a $20 tip right out of the gate and said, "Thanks for showing up on time, Don." But then we're gonna SH all the way around to the back. Gonna rinse it all the way, get all this done, rinse off the front porch, the door. Everything's gonna get cleaned up here. Then we'll be on our way. Got to stop by the bank, sign some papers. My wife and I are getting 2 brand new ATVs. Finally found something that my wife's going to be liking to do. So we're going to be riding ATVs in the mountains together. That's awesome. Everybody knows she doesn't like motorcycles, but this is going to be the next best thing. All right, let's get to work. Let's get after it. All right, let's check it out. See how easy it is. So what I'm starting out with is a 2560 V-Jet soap tip, which is this baby right here, and that's going to turn the soap on. We'll be back to show you what turns it off. You can do it all the way from here. Look at that. mobile homes have that little ridge under there. You want to get behind them. It's just that easy. We're just going to go ahead and move right along as we go here. We'll be hitting the outside of this first, then we'll get all underneath in there. Then we'll come around the front. We'll be getting after it, man. I'm telling you. how it's done. Let's get after the rest, shall we? Hey, sorry I didn't do a final review, but I think you get the gist of what happened over there. Got the mobile home done record time. Now I'm on my way to the bank. And we'll see you at the next job, pool cage and driveway. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, here we are at job number 2. We're gonna be doing this driveway right here, all the way up to the walkway. We're also gonna be doing the pool cage and the deck. Let's go back and have a look, all right? Be right back. Let's get after it. Okay, let's have a look. It's an older cage. It's a little bit of green in the screen right there. One little teeny spot. I see it at the top. I don't know if you can spot it or not. It looks like we might have a what I like to call a drain pane, maybe. Might not drain that well back here. But however, we might be able to squirt it out this fence here. Through here. We'll see what happens. We're going to SH everything down. It's oxidized really bad. So let's see what happens, all right? Let's get after it. All right, first we're going to start by SHing the hole outside and rinsing it off. You know the drill. Let's get started. All right, have a good look at that cage there. You see how that soap's all stuck in the side there? That's that sideways technique of really, really deep cleaning the screen. See how you can hardly see through there? The reason why you can't see through there is because all the SH is in the mesh. See that? It's in there eating away all the algae, if there's any in there at all. There was a big spot up this way here. It's already gone. That's a good way to clean the screen, so just remember that. Lay it on there sideways and it'll look really good for you. All right, now we're going to come in here and SH all this, all that stuff up there as well. Get the windows. This is all sealed up here, so we're good to go there. All right, we'll put this over here in the rocks. That'll be a good place for it. Nice little waterfalls. I think that was probably built by maybe Western Ando Pools. They pretty famous for doing waterfalls. I think that's one of Don's probably first ones he ever did right there. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. It's all trimmed out. This is all trimmed out. Gonna go to Mini Mondu and get the rest of this cleaned up. You see the difference right there? This is all Mini Mondu, and then we'll rinse it out and we'll be done. Then we'll go out front and hit the driveway, all right? We'll be back for the satisfying rooms. All right, let's have a look. It's looking really good. The lady's in there, right? She's happy in there, giving me the thumbs up. Everything looks really good. Windows are clean. The deck is clean. Now let's get out here and get this driveway done. I think we're going to fire up 12 gallons a minute on this one. It's pretty dirty, all right? Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at this driveway. Okay. It's pretty dirty. It's cracked. It's got some oil stuff that was here, it looks like. We're going to go all the way to the front door. We have river gravel here, so we're not going to Mini Mondu the river gravel. We will SH it, get it clean, and we'll rinse it off, okay? We're only going to come up to this point here. Just hold on a minute, I'll be right back. All right, we're starting with the homeowner. We're going to go ahead and put the house wash on the in the book for June 11th. See, new customer, and then all that stuff up there, we're going to head and get rid of that. We'll get this off the wall today. Just because, show her. And we'll get this gutter across the top and down the side here. We'll just do that because I won't have to do it when I come back. Why not? It's right there, right? All right, let's get after it. We are hooked up for 12 gallons a minute. For those of you who don't know about it, I'll get with you when I get ready to hook it up, all right? Right now, we're going to lay down some pre-treat. And it's going to be sticky icky. Apple. All right, let's get after it. All right, we got it all sticky icky. That's going to loosen it up a bit. All right, now if you want to plumb your, if you have whatever you have, even if you have 2 5.5 gallon a minutes, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can do the same thing that we have here with the IGX 800s. It's all in the pump. This is an 8 gallon a minute pump. Okay, so I'm going to upgrade the machines at the end of the year. I'm going to get the same machines but with 10.5 gallon a minute pumps. This is how you should plumb it. Okay, you come out of the buffer tank, you go to a T, you run to both sides of the pump, okay, double water, you come out the top of the pump with 1/2 inch line, okay, then you plumb right here to this ball valve. Okay, so now I want to run 12 gallons a minute, so that goes down and this goes down. So now when the valve handle is facing this way, that means we're flowing from here. When it's up this way, that means it's flowing back to the back where that 3/8 line is hooked up to the injector right now. So what I'm going to do, I have a 3/8 adapter. This is just an adapter. I can run 1/2 inch line if I want and get 16 gallons a minute, but plumb for the maximum flow. Don't do that Siamese twin 3/8 thing. It's not going to get you anywhere. Okay, same thing over there. See, on both sides of the pump, the water's going in the bottom, coming out the top, 1/2 inch right to this valve system. Okay, now all I got to do is unhook that, go to here, fire up both machines, and get after it. All right, so let's do that. 12 gallons a minute, baby. All right, let's see how fast it happens. Now for the satisfying rinse. Okay, even at 12 gallons a minute, we have some lines. So we're gonna go ahead and post treat. Now that we got all that water out of here, it's draining down that way. That wash jet tip's the only way you're gonna get that water out of there, unless you got some kind of sludge thingy wingy, whatever the hell that thing is. I prefer the wash jet tip at 12 gallons a minute. Ba-boom, see ya. All right, let's go ahead and get the post treat done, get the hose on that side, then we'll be done, all right? Let's get after it. All right, there you have it. Look at that sticky icky, man. I'm telling you what, that's just gonna sit there and just get rid of all those lines that were there. It's a beautiful thing, you know. All right, I'm Don from Superblast Pressure Washing. We're gonna rinse out the gear. Look at this hose, man. It's just doing its old thing right there. Vibrated right off. You're gonna have to clamp that thing off next job. Keeps doing that. It just wants to get off there. All right, look at that. It looks great. Pool cage looks great. We'll be back into the house. I got that black stuff off the front. Give her something to smile about, you know? All right, I'm Don. You know what to do, man. One more to go. Let's get after it. All right, here we are at the last job of the day. It's a regular customer. I've done their house before, their driveway. It's been a while since we've been in the driveway. A lot of weeds growing in again. Anyway, we're going to be doing the pool cage. It's got a very unique deck. It's that really expensive artificial wood over the top of the cement. It's really cool. Go back there and look in just a second. Let me finish getting set up. Let's get after it. All right, I think if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll remember this in particular golf course view right here. Let's creep out here for a second and check it out. I mean, if you're a retired guy and you want to live in Florida and play on golf courses that are like this, look how plush this is. I mean, this is a plush golf course. And they keep it like this all year long. It's very cool. Last time I was here, I almost got hit by a golf ball. I went out on the fairway and I returned it to the gentleman. He was very happy. Always golf etiquette. If you're a golfer, you get it. All right, here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything rinsed off back here, cleaned up. This is a cool looking deck. We get the sliding glass doors, everything rinsed off. The cage has to be cleaned off real good. Blow those leaves out from back there. See these? The leaves. Get the leaves out of here and all that good stuff. And I guess we'll go ahead and clip this thing on over here so you can get the full view. All right, I'm Don from Superblast, and let's get after it. it's going to be a wrap for the day, folks. All the windows are clean. Everything is spotless back here. The deck is clean. The furniture's clean. Everything's clean. The pool guys are here. They're waiting patiently. Go ahead and get these guys in here and get their job done. And we'll be all out of here. Time to hit the house. They might have just left. You never know with these workers in Florida, man. So I'm just like, oh, hell, I'll just come back some other time. I would have waited. And I told him it's only going to be 10 minutes. He's probably out front. Let's go check it out. And if I don't come back on, that means that went home to get this video ready for you. I hope you enjoyed it, all right? And we'll see you tomorrow. Let's get after it.